If you ever need to send a large file and email keeps rejecting it, Google Drive is one of the easiest and safest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload your file, share it with the right person, choose the correct permissions, and send it properly. This is perfect for videos, photos, documents, folders, or any other file that is too large for regular email. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to your Google account. Once you're inside your Drive account, you'll see your main dashboard where all your files are stored. This is where the upload process begins. Now, look toward the left side of the screen and click on the New button. This button is used to create folders, upload files, and add new content to your Drive. After clicking New, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer rather than creating something new inside Drive. Once you click File Upload, a file picker window will open on your computer. Browse through your folders and select the large file you want to send. After you find it, click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file to your account. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so just let it finish completely. After the upload is done, go back to My Drive so you can find the file you just uploaded. If you don't see it right away, give it a second to appear. Then click on the file to select it. Selecting the file is important because it tells Drive which item you want to share. Next, look to the top menu and click Share. This is the step that lets you send access to another person. A sharing box will open where you can enter the receiver's email address. Type in the email of the person you want to send the file to. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can enter multiple email addresses as well. After entering the email, you'll see the general access and permission settings. This is where you control what the other person can do with the file. You can choose Viewer if you only want them to open and view the file, Commenter if you want them to add comments, or Editor if you want them to make changes. For most large file sharing situations, Viewer is usually the safest option, but you can pick the one that fits your needs. Before sending, you also have the option to notify people by email. If you want Google Drive to send them an automatic email with the file link, make sure the Notify People option is turned on. If you prefer to send the link yourself through another app like WhatsApp, text, or email later, you can leave it off. Once everything looks good, click Send. Google Drive will share the file with the receiver using the permissions you selected, and that's it. Your large file has been successfully uploaded and shared through Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.